and see the result. The holes look nice. Look at this. No scratches, just clean, neat round holes on our enclosure. Video, I'm going to show you how we can make round holes in our electronic enclosures. I will use this tool that we call step drill. I have one small and then a bigger one. These are the two components that I will put on my enclosure. This one is a DC jack connector and a cable gland. The cable gland will be here and the DC connector will be in this side. Next is we need to measure the diameter of the holes that we need. For this one, we need 12 millimeter. Now, for this DC jack, we need around 12 millimeter as well. Now, we will use this step drill with 12 millimeter diameter size. Next is we put this masking tape so that we can put labels on our electronic enclosure. Let's put a marking here and then another one for the cable gland. Here are the markings. Let's now drill it. Our aim is 12. A little bit more. This should be good. Now we got the two holes. Let's see if they're nice and good enough. Then we have to remove the masking tape and see the result. The holes look nice. Look at this. No scratches, just clean, neat round holes on our enclosure. Now we can put this cable gland here. Next will be the DC jack. And let's put the nut. I hope you find this video useful and interesting. Please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. Thank you.